Hey everyone, this is Josh with SKAA. Today we're checking out two different wireless audio products from Atlantic Technology, the FS252 wireless bookshelf speakers and the STA200 streaming amplifier with the LCR2 passive speakers. Both of these products are both SKAA and Bluetooth compatible, but when you use SKAA transmitters, you'll get super high-fidelity wireless audio with less latency than Bluetooth or other wireless audio systems. So you can use this to listen to music or to incorporate in your home theater system. Both of these Atlantic products are perfect for audiophiles who demand pristine quality audio from the speakers and amplifier, as well as the SKAA wireless protocol. First, let's take a look at the FS252 wireless bookshelf speakers. These have two woofers and a tweeter on the front, and a passive radiator on the bottom. To start, simply chain the right speaker over to the left speaker with the included speaker cable. There's 5 LEDs on the side of the right speaker. The first is a power LED, and if you click on this button, you can switch between Bluetooth mode, Bluetooth relay, auxiliary input, aux relay, and standard SKAA mode. We'll start with SKAA mode since it's the easiest to set up, and I'll come back to the others later. Like all SKAA products, bonding with a SKAA transmitter is as simple as plugging in the transmitter and playing music. You can control the volume from your phone or on the speaker itself. If you have multiple SKAA transmitters in your house, you can double-click to explore for new sources and then save a source to your favorites list by holding the bond button for 3 seconds. When you've saved 2 or more sources to your favorites list, you can simply single-click the bond button to cycle between the sources. One of the great things about these is that only the right speaker functions as your wireless receiver, so you can actually add up to 3 additional SKAA speakers or headphones in addition to the FS252s. Here I've added 3 additional Ryobi Score speakers in SKAA mode in addition to my Atlantic speakers, so I can take the Ryobi Score speakers anywhere I want and play music throughout my house. Note the front-facing SKAA LED in green, showing that I'm listening to music from my favorites list. In the SKAA command app, these speakers will show up as 4 different receivers, one for each Ryobi Score and one for the pair of Atlantic FS252s. Although you can control the volume directly from the speakers, you can also adjust the volume for each receiver in the SKAA command app as well. To use Bluetooth, simply put the speaker in Bluetooth mode and pair the speaker with your Bluetooth preferences on your device. If you want to chain up to 4 additional speakers to the FS252, you can use the relay mode, which allows the speaker to function as a hub transmitter to 4 additional SKAA speakers. You can do this with either Bluetooth or the aux input. Just make sure that Bluetooth or aux input is selected along with the relay LED. As a Bluetooth relay, you're sending Bluetooth audio to the FS252, and then that speaker can transmit signal over to 4 additional SKAA speakers. On the back, there's also stereo RCA line-in and line outputs, and an auxiliary input. These can be used for stationary audio sources, like a laptop or a turntable with an integrated preamp and line output. The aux relay mode works for both the 3.5mm stereo jack as well as the RCA line input jacks. Next up is the STA200 streaming amplifier, and I'm using this with 2 LCR2 passive speakers. The STA200 is a 200-watt 2-channel speaker amplifier with a built-in wireless receiver. This has all of the same modes as the bookshelf speakers, a power and mode selection button, Bluetooth, SKAA, auxiliary input, and the ability to work as a relay as well. The auxiliary input is on the front, and there's line in and outs on the back, in addition to the powered speaker outputs. The main advantage with the STA200 is the included remote. You can use this to switch modes, adjust volume, mute the audio, and because there's a bond button right on the remote, you can explore for and bond new SKAA sources and save favorites to your favorites list, doing all of this with the remote without having to press any buttons on the receiver. This makes the STA200 perfect to integrate into a home theater system or for conference rooms or classrooms as well. Here I have the speakers just sitting below the TV, but you can also mount these directly to the wall. You can use the Akiko transmitter for analog audio sources, or here I'm using the Telissa transmitter for digital audio coming from my TV. And for conference rooms and classrooms, You can use the Ursula USB-A transmitter or the Cassandra USB-C transmitter to play audio from desktop and laptop computers for things like presentations and lectures. So that's the FS252 bookshelf speakers and the STA200 streaming amplifier with the LCR2 passive speakers, all from Atlantic Technology. These, along with SKAA Wireless, can be the perfect wireless audio solution for so many applications where you need pristine quality sound with minimal signal loss and minimal latency. If you'd like to check out the whole lineup of SKAA products, head over to SKAA.com and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.